David Berkowitz, indicted for murder, also known as son of Sam, also known as the .44 caliber killer, was arraigned today. He pleaded not guilty. His lawyer said if he is brought to trial, he will use insanity as a defense. A report from Robert Hager.
Berkowitz was brought to court in an 8-vehicle motorcade. Police know people are angry. They're afraid of violence. Berkowitz himself was in a special steel-plated prison van. A police helicopter flew overhead. The van disappeared into the underground parking garage of the courthouse. Police in flak jackets put away their pistols. In court, Berkowitz was brought in blinking, sullen-faced at first, and in handcuffs. As he took his seat, 8 uniformed officers shielded him from spectators. He nodded, now smiling slightly, as he had the day he was arrested. The judge asked who his lawyer would be. Berkowitz's voice was hoarse. He said Mark Heller would represent him. Heller joins 2 other lawyers, all hired by Berkowitz's relatives. A 4th lawyer, Philip Peltz, is trying to withdraw after accusations he offered to sell tape recordings of Berkowitz to the newspapers. Those tapes were impounded today. Now, the attorney Heller said Berkowitz pleaded not guilty. He added that insanity would be raised as a defense. Outside court, prosecutor Eugene Gold said he thinks Berkowitz is capable of standing trial.
It will be and is the position of my office that this defendant is competent to proceed to trial.
A crowd gathered and there were catcalls as Berkowitz was driven away. A report on his mental competence is due August 30th. Robert Hager, NBC News, New York.
The so-called Dawson 5 got some bad news today. The 5 young black men stand accused of murdering a white man during a holdup in Dawson, Georgia. The case has attracted national attention. Today, a county judge refused to dismiss indictments against the 5, and the trial will begin on the 29th of August.